We just visited the Visitors Bureau, got some information on Dripping Springs. We've never been to Dripping Springs. When we got there, they said that they gave us directions on where to go to see the actual springs, on how this was named Dripping Springs. So we're going to make our way down there. They say it's really pretty.
Later on that day, we went to West Cape Outdoor Discovery Center for a guided tour, and that is a must. Like, you have to go there. Every Texan should go there, and anybody visiting this area should go there. It's insane to see that this is from Texas.
What it sounds like to me.
Ooh, really steep. I feel like I'm going into a zoo with all the bamboo.
We also hiked to Hamilton Pool, and that was a beautiful hike. Hamilton Pool isn't exactly what I thought it was going to be, but we have been in a drought. It's still beautiful, and you should check it out.
Dude, this is cool.
I can hear like water dripping from over there somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, surely this isn't the dripping spring.
I think it is.
Really?
I don't know. It's the only thing I see that's dripping.
Well, there's a lot around here, so we don't know what's up there. Do we? Oh, there's a building up there.
The last of our activities today was hiking at Reimer's Ranch, and we hiked the upper trail, which was beautiful. We went past the trail going to the rock climbing area, and then came across this magical land, and it made it seem like it came straight out of a fairy tale. It was gorgeous. The next day, we took a tour at the Texas Hill Country Olive Oil Company, and that was delicious.
Huh?
If you want to learn about olive oils, then you should check that video out.
Well, didn't they have like a sign? It is cool down here, though.
The Dripping Springs, where the Tonkawa once prowled. The cool, clear waters of the Edwards Aquifer burst forth along this brook, Milk House Branch, and drips musically from the limestone overhang. Circa 1850, the Moss, Wallace, and Pound families started a small settlement near this dripping spring. One of them, Miss Nan Moss, named the community for the Dripping Springs. As the community grew, it became a stagecoach stop and an educational center with a post office being established in 1857. An aborted effort to establish a military academy in the 1880s evolved into a boarding school under the aegis of the Pedernales Baptist Association. This is kind of hard to read.
It's probably like...
Also during this period, the town was laid out with
What was it?
with names for streets that were bordered by flagstone sidewalks in 1854. With a past firmly rooted in faith and civic pride, we face the future with confidence. Robert S. Shelton, historian. Dedicated by the Dripping Springs Lion Club, June 1980, on the property of Mr. and Miss Alva C. Hayden.
Good job.
They should clean that so people like me can read it and not sound like we don't know how to read.
We stayed in an Airbnb in Dripping Springs called Wanderin' Star Farms, and that place is cute. They have lots of little cabins for all sizes of families and gatherings. Check it out.
Okay. Interesting. The picture I saw online of the Dripping Springs was really misleading.
Picture what?
The picture I saw online of the Dripping Springs was really misleading. And they made,
Well,
you know, where we
there's that
stepped
other
over
side
the
of-
water?
yeah.
They made it look like this big gigantic wall of leaves and water coming down. Unless we're supposed to be on the other side of the road.
Well, I mean, that's what I'm saying. She also mentioned over there.
Yeah.
So maybe there's another part of it.
Well, we
I
will
mean,
check
that side of the road is also where that bed and breakfast was. So
Yeah.
that might be a different view.
This is really pretty though.
Really neat.
In case this is the dripping springs, I mean, I would surely there would be a sign. Take one more good look
Pretty
at
sure
it.
this is it.
I think those flowers. Huh, those are cool. I bet when they're in like full bloom, they're pretty. All right, we can go across the street and see what that's all about.
That tree's probably there. Yeah, termites.
Oh. Seems like every tree has termites that we see. Alright, let's go across the street. Letter cabin, I bet that's pretty super cute. Pretty super cute. Well, yep. Guessing that was Dripping Springs. You're right.
Where the Tonkawa once proud, the cool, clear waters of the Edwards Aquifer.
Coming in the back entrance of Rolling in Thyme and Dough for lunch before we head over to the. Are those peaches? What is that? Cool. Well, that's really pretty.
Yeah, they smell great too.
They do smell really pretty. Smell good.
Oh, they got all over the
Huh.
place.
Gonna have to get a picture on the way out of the flowers. I don't know that I've ever seen those flowers before. Have I? Hmm. I am excited to try this out.
The place up in Oklahoma, when we took the kids and we stayed in that lodge.
Uh-huh.
The trail that goes to the lake on the back side of the park.
Oh, the pastries do look good. Those cookies look delicious. I want cookies.
Good morning.
Oh, man, look at that cinnamon roll.
How are you?
I'm here for lunch. I'm here for lunch.
Don't eat sugar.
Don't need sugar.
Don't eat sugar.
Especially. There's a table in the corner.
Well, I mean, you just take it.
This is super cute.
Inside or out?
Inside would be great since we're gonna be outside all day. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, all the pastries we saw. We got carrot cake. It's a huge slice. We're gonna eat this before our sandwiches come in. Alright, on the carrot cake. We're gonna have to try a bite.
I don't ever get cake.
I know.
You have to do it this time though. This thing.
Is it yummy? Everything you wanted?
Mm-hmm. The best carrot cake.
The best carrot cake?
Yep.
We'll see about that. Oh, that is really delicious. I like that the cream isn't so sweet.
Yeah. It's perfect.
That's really, really good. It's big enough for our entire lunch.
Yeah. I'm gonna feel bad about eating all of that.
Especially with all the hiking today.
But I'm gonna eat it.
How's your soup? Ham and split pea, right?
Yep.
Your sandwich looks good. Which one are the Texas two-step?
Yep.
And I ordered the turkey and thyme. Mm-mm-mm. Delicious. Oh, that little area in there is cute. We decided to check out Family Business Beer Company, Dripping Springs, Texas, which happens to be in the middle of Reimer's Ranch, where we just got done hiking, and our Airbnb cabin. Park. Hey, do you remember what beer you got?
Let me know at the stage inside of the brewery. We'll get you a $10 gift card.
The Marzen.
Is it
Family
good?
business, including lunch, beer, or
That's
food.
like from here, right? Everything
So
here is
let's
from
do
this
take
brewery.
more songs
That's how it works.
that are spaces in the bingo card.
It
Meaning
is
that
a
you make your
brewery.
songs
Yeah.
They
that
do
are not
brew
on your
beers.
Well, I didn't know if they would like sell other beer that they don't brew. I've not, this isn't my world.
Some do. And you know, I actually didn't even look at this brewed here.
He's such a brat. But you like it?
It's all right.
Alright.
I like mine a
The
little
next song y'all
toasty.
hear,
Oh,
we're gonna start it on round 2.
Alright.
It's probably gonna be the darkest beer they have, though.
We decided to order pizza from that pizza truck, and we got October Feast, and it has kielbasa sausage and Granny Smith apples on it. So we're gonna give it a go. It sounds pretty interesting.
White people pizza.
This is super
Who else
cute.
put apples on pizza?
White people pizza. Well,
American white people pizza.
we fit into that category, don't we? This is Selena.
Even though she doesn't like it, I'm filming it.
Why do I
Dun,
not like?
dun, dun, because I'm too twitchy.
Well, we're not hiking, so you're not.
but I can still do this.
Alright, never mind. You suck. You
Yeah.
can't have the camera.
Whatever. Nerd.
This looks yummy.
I don't want to open the pizza yet.
Okay, let's try
Okay,
this
so we're gonna
pizza.
eat this thing first, and then yeah, we'll share that.
Yeah, but we gotta like this pizza.
But it's gonna get cold. Oh my god.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. Now close it, close
That looks okay. All right, come on. I'm gonna watch you eat this kielbasa.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think?
I don't see the apple on it. Do you? Oh, there's a
Right
thin
there.
piece.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's an apple.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you got? Mukbang, bro. Branching out. And
It's really good. I'm not the biggest fan of mustard, so this piece, I probably should have grabbed a piece that didn't have as much mustard on it. But it's good.
whatever. Their
Looks like
imperial
we may have
stouts
our
are good.
bingo for round 2.
We hated it. All of it.
It was a good choice. It's delicious.
More food than
Yum. Some stuff.
yeah. That was like 5,000 calories of food.
Yeah, but I burned over 1,500 calories today.
Yeah, we eaten 5,000.
It wasn't 5,000
I bet it's
calories.
close.
There's no way. I did not realize we were at the brewer for Jensen Ackles. This is his brewery. He is Dean in the Winchesters. And he is... Oh, dang. What is Jensen's name in the... Dang it, just forgot his name. Yeah, Soldier Boy. That's right. Huh. Box Beer Company. This is cute. back there. There's a food truck back there. It's a cool little park. What beer did you get?
The McGregor.
And you like it?
It's super good.
Sweet.
Dripping Springs is without a doubt one of our favorite little cities that we have been to within Texas. Check out that West Cave. I'm telling you, you're gonna want to go, and it's beautiful. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, because why not?